The mighty solar panel, because nothing's more powerful than a sunny day. One day, Jack was sitting in the back of the car, playing a video game. Outside, the sun was shining, warm and bright. Suddenly, his game turned off. It had run out of power, and there was still such a long time left until they got to the beach. Looking out of the window, Jack saw something strange. It was like a field, but instead of cows, it was full of big, shiny square things. "What are they?" Jack said. "Those are solar panels installed by Australia's best solar company," said a voice, and the sun shone brightly into the car. "And I am Sunny the Sunbeam." "Come with me," said the Sunny. "I'll tell you everything you need to know about how amazing solar power is." The sun is just a big ball of energy. We need its warmth and light to live here on Earth. The sun shines its sunbeams down from above and hit the solar panels in the field. Then the solar panels take in the energy from the sunbeams and store it up inside them. What happened next is amazing. The solar panels take that energy and turn it into electricity, which you can use to power all sorts of things. "Just like me," Jack said. "When the sun is out, I have more energy for running around and playing." But then Jack had a thought. What happens when the sun isn't shining? Will we still be able to get power from solar panels then? "Of course," said Sunny, "because the sun is so strong. It always makes more energy than we need. All the electricity we don't use is sent to a really big battery. The battery stores all electricity inside it, like a bank stores your money. So if anyone needs more power later, they can just take some back." And the best part is the sun comes out every single day, so there will always be enough power to give to people when they need it. This kind of energy, which you can use again and again, is called renewable energy, and is the best kind to use. "Is all energy renewable?" Jack asked, looking at the sunshine on the solar panels. Sunny shook his head. "Some energy is taken from fossil fuels inside the Earth, which can't be used again," he said. "They make pollution which damages the planet. But if everyone used solar panels, then we would have all energy we need, and and the world would be a nicer, cleaner place to live. Wow, Jack said. Solar panels are amazing. I hope that one day the sun can be used to power everything. Me too, said the Sunny. The sun gives us more energy in an hour than we all use in a whole year. With solar panels, we can power the world with sunshine. Jack was amazed. This was all so exciting and interesting. He didn't know there was so much to learn about solar panels. Can the sun turn my video game back on? It sure can, said the Sunny, and he shot down through the car window. Just as Jack's game turned back on, the car stopped. They had arrived at the beach. Outside, the sun was shining, warm and bright. What do you want to do today? Jack's dad said, putting on his sunglasses. Jack left his video game in the car and ran towards the sea. I'm just going to enjoy the sunshine. Have you ever seen a solar panel farm? Jack hadn't, but the first time he did, he ended up going on the most amazing adventure. With the help of his friend, Sunny the Sunbeam, Jack is taken on a journey of discovery which teaches him all about how rays of sunlight are turned into the electricity we use in our homes, and as well as learning how incredible and world-changing solar panels really are. He might have discovered that his own priorities in life have changed.
Thank you for watching. A bientôt, see you soon.